Hello, my name is Chris Ray and I'm the Managing Director of both the AES Engineering Limited Group and the AESSEAL Group of companies. The past 3 years have been the hottest ever recorded across the world. AESSEAL continued to race towards its promise to invest $29 million by 2029 on environmental projects. Our group has now committed £25,408,000 or almost $34 million US. Our new 175,000 square foot Factory for the Future site in Rotherham, UK is now entirely gas-free. The group has spent more than £250,000 on a tree walk at the Factory for the Future site perimeter. It provides a habitat for wildlife which has been enjoyed by more than 1,000 children since opening a year ago. In November 2025, we opened our new head office in Australia, the first building in Australia to be certified under the BREEAM sustainability scheme. More than £500,000 extra was invested to ensure it met the stringent environmental inspection standards. We have also designed and are in the middle of constructing a BREEAM Excellent building at the Advanced Manufacturing Park in Rotherham with a projected environmental expenditure of £1.2 million. Other major investments in environmental undertakings include a solar farm in India and separate expenditure on an Indian group building that has become almost entirely green. Projects include a solar array and battery energy storage system at AESSEAL Inc. headquarters in Knoxville, Tennessee, and initiatives such as rainwater harvesting, solar energy, and advanced insulation in businesses in Spain, Germany, Northern Ireland and South Africa. Environmental projects carried out by the group have had a positive impact of more than 1 million tonnes CO2 equivalent since 2021. That's the amount of carbon sequestered annually by 40 million trees. These actions will not solve the climate change crisis, but our group will continue to do our bit. After all, what can be more important than the survival of the planet?